Want to know if an iPhone is blacklisted or not? Here's a quick way to check the blacklist status. First, type Apple Blacklist in the category search bar. From the list, select Blacklist Check. This is the section that helps you check the blacklist status of any iPhone. Next, paste the IMEI number of the phone you want to check. After pasting, click on Place Order. This will begin the process of checking the blacklist status. Once the order is placed, go to View IMEI Order History. Wait for a few seconds, then refresh the page to load the latest results. Now, check the details that appear. If the phone is blacklisted, you will see blacklisted under GSMA status. If it is clean, you will see clean. That's it. Always check the blacklist status before buying an iPhone. It's a simple step that can save you money and prevent future headaches.